Welcome back to High Protein Recipes, where I share easy-to-make recipes that are packed with protein pero sa lasa hindi mabibitin. Today we're making air-fried chickpeas. Crispy, tasty, high in protein and fiber, and perfect as a guilt-free snack or pang-topper sa salad mo. Honestly, hindi ko to napigilang iulam sa rice. And ang sarap kasi para siyang pinagsamang boy bawang and muncher. Canned chickpeas pala ang gamit ko dito, and any brand should work naman. Drain the liquid and rinse, tapos pat them dry using a kitchen towel. Important to para maging super crispy sila later. Wala na pala tong 1 can kasi leftover lang from a previous recipe that I made. Transfer to a bowl and season with these ingredients. May mga optional spices din tayo. Don't forget to add a splash of oil para maging extra crispy sila after air frying. Mix lang, tapos diretso air fry na at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes, shaking halfway through. Dapat golden and crispy on the outside pero soft pa din inside. Ang dark lang talaga ng kinalabasan sa akin kasi madami akong nilagay na cayenne powder. Para siyang cornic, so naisip ko bagay siya with vinegar or lemon, anything na may acidity. Naalala ko meron pala akong avocado spread. Maasim-asim to, so sobrang perfect niya. Wala lang, na-share ko lang. Anyway, I hope you give this a try and follow for more high-protein recipes.